welcome back to my channel. So today my hubby is gonna be painting Little Miss Baby Girl's nursery. So we are in our home. I just didn't record too much of the move because it was such a weekend of I was going through a lot physically, and I'll tell you guys about that in an update. So I didn't really film as much as I wanted to, but we are leaving for my baby shower the day after tomorrow, and we didn't really think we were gonna have to paint, which we really don't need to. It's a really pretty, like, taupey, like warm, and I really wanted a gray. So we have been back and forth to Ace Hardware so many times because they're the only people that sell Benjamin Moore paint. A little bit of a fiasco because we were between two colors. We went to get two samples and one was not the right one. And here's the man of the hour.
Hey.
So we went with the color Paper White. That's it right there. They look different from here, but I know it's just because of the lighting. And then that's what it looks like against the trim. It's just a really light gray. Came up the stairs. Welcome back. It is day 2 of painting. Mike just focused on the trim and one wall. Look how good it looks the next day. I can trust myself, I believe in now. I can trust myself, I believe in That was so good. Hey guys, it is just a few days later than when he put the swing together. And this is, I washed my hair since I got it done. You know, it's like, it feels good just to wash it after you first get it done. Wash it on your own and style it. So I love it. I feel like so human being nice and blonde again. Actually, right here is our stroller that Mikey put together. And we got a new car last week, so he needs to put that in there. We just needed to get something safer for sweet girl. But yeah, this is the Chico Key Fit 30, so that we like it so far. I'm just finally starting on Nora's laundry, so I just figured I'll just take you with me. So that's what we're doing. I'm just cleaning up the house, and I'm really just trying to focus on getting her laundry done, and it's just making me feel good. So that's what's going on today. Here's the swing Mikey put together the other night. This house is a mess. There's damn dog fluff everywhere, but I think I want this to be in that corner, then I'll move the dog bed, but for now we just kind of have it sitting right there. So kind of have her loads split up. I just did her whites. I'm gonna check and see if they are dry. Let's see if these are dry. Oh yeah, much better. I am out of breath. Okay. I just can't believe she's coming. Look at those tiny socks. Look at all this pink stuff. I want to do all these pinks next. That's a pretty good size load. Someone is hanging out. Just sweet girl. I'm really excited about this. So I have been back and forth on which bassinet I wanted to go with, and obviously I always wanted the halo, but I'm just like, oh, what if we only use it for a little bit and then it's just like $200, blah. Once I started realizing maybe I should get the pack and play because they have those bassinet inserts, and then obviously we'll get so much use out of the pack and play. So it's going back and forth, and then on Facebook Market, this really nice mom was selling this halo for $65, you guys. And obviously she said she used it literally like just a handful of times. Her baby just didn't take to it. And she has 3 sweet little babies. $65, and it was so clean. She showed me a video before we met up with her of just how clean it was. No pets, you know, stuff like that. And yeah, so I basically got a brand new halo for $65. So I'm excited about that. Ooh, I gotta sit down. Whew. Yeah, you know, at first it's kind of like, ooh, you don't know. You just don't know the person and blah, blah, blah. But honestly, like, it looks brand new. It doesn't smell like anything. It's not stinky. There's no spit up stains anywhere. I'm really excited about that. That really made me happy because I really wanted that bassinet. I still want to get a pack and play for downstairs. So I feel like I'm totally that new mom that's going overboard with like all the things that we need. But our new house, I love it, but the stairs are steep and there's a lot of them, and it's kind of like once you're upstairs, you're upstairs. And then once I'm downstairs for the day with Nora, I'm gonna be downstairs. So obviously I'll have like diaper changing stations like in a bunch of rooms, especially downstairs, but I'm kind of thinking like, obviously she'll nap in my arms, she'll nap in the swing, but I kind of want to get a pack and play that has the bassinet and keep that downstairs. That way I can put her there for her naps during the day before we come upstairs and start her crib napping schedule. But I'm thinking of like just like this first month where everything's just kind of crazy. I just want to be prepared. Yeah, I know I'm gonna be that mom that has like all this new stuff and I might not even use half of it, but it's just making me feel prepared. And thankfully Mike will be home for a few weeks after she's born, which is such a blessing, but there will be the time where he goes back to work and get deployed, and I just gotta figure out how to do this upstairs downstairs thing with her because it makes me a little anxious. So yeah. All right, I just had lunch. I was actually sitting for a few hours. I needed to rest. Ooh, 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 these lips don't look good. TMI, I'm in this stage of pregnancy where like my tummy is all over the place. I have to go grocery shop and I'm scared I'm gonna poop myself. I'm just gonna put the other laundry in the dryer, and then when I get home I'll fold everything. Hello everyone, it's the next day. So I kind of just showed you guys some of the laundry I started, and then I went out to go grocery shopping and literally took the life out of me. I don't know why, but our I went to commissary, which I will not be doing that when baby girl is here, because it's just too much. It's like the layout is so weird. I have to pee every 2 seconds, so the bathroom's on the opposite side of the whole grocery store. Then you have to go back out and get a car. It's just a hot mess. So it took me like 5 billion hours to grocery shop. My back was killing me, and then the sun went down, so I figured I just kept doing laundry and I'm just gonna fold everything today. But Mike's at the gym and I'm gonna go to Target. I'm gonna use a gift card to get this huge mirror that we want to put over her dresser. Her dresser just came in and Mike's gonna put that together later, and then I'm gonna fold her clothes. So I'm just gonna go to Target just to get a few things. We're going to see my best friend in Savannah this weekend to see her baby boy, and I just want to grab a few things for her and their family. So yeah, let me show you my glamorous outfit. I just got these shoes, which I really like. They are Target, but I got them at dirt cheap. But yeah, just some shorts and a V-neck. Whew, okay. Dang, it is hot in Georgia. 85 degrees already. So, I got the mirror. I got some other things. I feel like every time you go to Target, you spend more money than you plan on it. I have so much to get. Like, I haven't even gotten anything for postpartum. People are looking at me and I just don't care. I don't care. I have quite a bit of a list for the baby. I need nursing pads and nipple cream, like stuff like that. So, but when we were in North Carolina, my dad got these, let me show you, Twizzler sour bites, and they rocked my world. And I don't know if you guys remember, but like a long time ago, Twizzlers had mini sour bites. These are kind of like this big. The sour bites were like this. They were in a lime green and purple bag, and they were so good, and they stopped selling them, and it's been so sad. So this is the closest thing to that. Really good, and I haven't been able to find them anywhere. Every store I've gone to, like Walgreens, Dollar Tree, like all these stores. I went to a billion yesterday, none of them had them, and I got 2 bags because they are so good. So I'll just go home and start folding baby girl's clothes. So I just got back from Target, and Mike's gonna start on the dresser and I'm gonna start folding her clothes. sun's coming in. Okay, so I folded all her laundry and all her towels and all her everything, and I tried to follow the Marie Kondo thing just because that's what everyone's doing right now, and I'm sure it'll get absolutely opposite of that after she's here. It's kind of hard on these onesies because some of them are so tiny, but yeah, and it's kind of good for me to do this so I can just see like what I have. So all her newborn zip ups are kind of right here, and I thought I had more, so that kind of scares me. So I need to get more. Well, the problem is I have more zip ups. I did a lot of buying clothes like 3 to 6 months, 0 to 3, but just newborn size, that's all I have, which should be fine, but I'll probably get some more zip ups. These are all newborn 0 to 3 months little rompers. These are newborn gowns, like the sleeping gowns. Those are more gowns, but they're like 0 to 3 months and they're a little bit bigger. And some of these are 0 to 3 months stuff. And then all of these are her blankets and her swaddles and her towels. And we got all these little suckies. So let's go check on Mikey. And my battery's dying, of course. Whoa.
Tapping in, say they wait for it, tell the street find another trash jam.
Oh, that's such a good size. Was it harder than you thought it was going to be?
No, it's just gonna take forever to do all these drawers.
Do you need help?
No.
You don't want my help?
No.
And then we got this pretty mirror.
This is why it takes people so long.
This part right here.
Yep.